Time now for this hour's car review. The 2023 Dodge Hornet. You've probably seen the commercials if you haven't seen the car yet, because it's all new. The Hornet comes in these trim levels: the GT, the GT Plus, the RT, and the RT Plus. I had the GT Plus. This is a small crossover. Some may say it's a mid-size. Okay, you take your pick. It's not the great big one. All right. It seats 5 passengers, all new for 2023, and the color that I had is Acapulco Gold. Now, for
some stoners naming it car.
You know that somebody up there at Stellantis headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan said,
Did we really look that up?
I'm going to play a little joke. I'm going to play a little joke on those old people that are out there.
Hey, if anybody's paying attention.
With the Maui Wowie interior.
Hey, that's no joke.
And they're going to Madison for the Texas Mushroom Fest. They need to tub it out and put a Hellcat in it.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. Exterior features sharp-looking front fascia with large lower grille integrated into it. Bulging fenders with black molding on the wheel openings. Slender, menacing rear lighting. It's a new twist on a small SUV. It is different. Have you driven it?
No, I haven't. It's just I saw the pictures and stuff there, and
well, you saw it sitting out here in the driveway. I think the overall look is what I really like about it. I mean, it even with the Acapulco Gold, it just works for that.
Makes
vehicle.
it look better, doesn't it?
That's it.
Yeah, man, this is great.
Really,
the interior smells
I
nice.
find it interesting that you know about all that sort of thing. Interior highlights: high marks for the dash design and functionality. Seats are very comfortable and supportive with indestructible surfaces. Passive phone charger is a little bit too tight for my Android that has a case on it.
High and passive.
Passive phone charger, because you have to put the phone in vertically, right? So you've got to kind of run it up in there and then shove it down onto the charger. Yeah. It was just a little bit too tight with the phone case that I've got on
6
there.
inches.
Cargo trunk room is more than expected in this size of a vehicle. What I liked about it, the design. What could use improvement? The new infotainment system is a bit more complicated than it was before. I know I didn't have too much time with it, but when you get it, you play with it and you tell me what you think of it.
Which is odd, because you guys have all bragged about the Uconnect being the best one out there.
Yes. Well, it's different. They've changed it up a lot.
Really?
Yeah. So just thought I'd throw that out there at you. 2.0 liter inline-four cylinder, turbocharged with 258 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. Now, when you get to the RT, it's got a smaller displacement, but more horsepower. They wind it up pretty tight. 9-speed automatic transmission, tow rating 2,000 pounds, which is a lot, I think. Manufacturer's miles per gallon is at 21 city, 29 highway for a combined of 24. I got 29.4 miles per gallon over 560 miles. This is the one that I took down to San Leon. Not San Leone, but San Leon. Thank you.
It's like Leon Sphinx. Got to miss that front tooth.
What I liked about it, the peppiness of the motor. And the GT has this motor, the RT has the other motor. All right. What could use improvement? It seems at times a bit disconnected between the start-stop feature and the transmission and the turbo lag. They all kind of combine. So if you are, I'm a 2-foot driver. So I've got the left foot for the brake, the right foot. So when I'm ready to go, brake off, accelerator on, quick, right?
Right.
And I did that one time trying to get across an intersection and
didn't like it.
It wasn't real happy with that. Ride and handling, I like the sportiness of the ride. What could use improvement? Perhaps a softer ride option. Just saying, I didn't drive it long enough. Drove it 560 miles, but I thought that the suspension may be a little bit tight on this one. Pricing. You can get in one of these for $34,995. The price as tested was $41,810. Let me back up. The base trim price is $34,995. Price is tested $41,810, and that also has the tech package and the track package. The tech package was $2,245. The track package was $2,995. That's why the huge price jump from the base trim up to the prices tested. Base model price, and this is where I think that really I'd like to focus the attention on. You could get in one of these.
GT.
In the GT, which is the base model, $29,995. But with this motor in it now, okay? So you get a lot, really, I think, for the price of $29,995. The competitors are the Mazda CX-30 that starts at $22,950. Yes, it's priced higher, the GT is, than the Mazda CX-30 for the entry level. The VW Tiguan starts at $26,950. And the Honda HR-V starts at $23,800. So it's kind of on the upper end of the price level there. But at any rate, it's a good-looking vehicle. The interior and the dash, spot on. And $29,995 gets you in one of these things.
Acapulco Gold.
Acapulco Gold. Don't forget that.
I think the wheelbase is too small. That's why I think it's stiff when I was in it.
Do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a little too short, my opinion.
Well, it's a small SUV.
Yeah.
So you got to consider the source. This would be one of those for the hot rodder and his wife and their new baby. So he's got a little bit of the hot rod going on there, and especially with that RT. That RT's got some...
With the hotter motor?
Yeah. 288 horsepower out of that four-banger.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. It rocks and rolls. It also has a hot button on the steering wheel because it has an electric
kind of a
plug-in,
push to pass.
Plug-in, yeah. Push
Did
to
you have
pass.
paddle shifters on the one that you had?
I don't remember.
Okay.
I don't remember. Probably. Be my guess. All right.